Welcome to reThink, because it is time to rethink communications. Today we have two separate ways to establish communication. These are two completely separate worlds that have little in common. On the one side there is the old-fashioned federated telecoms world. On the other side we have the OTTs, the over-the-tops, meaning that they deliver services over IP without caring about the infrastructure. They are vibrant, but you are stuck within walled gardens. How do you contact a Facebook user from your Skype? On the one side, the telco world, federation requires well-defined standards. Standards enable global interoperability. You can call anyone, even if he is with another operator. But time to market is very long. This is because we have to globally agree how a new service will work. This has led to very little differentiation between telcos and limited innovation. A voice call is just a voice call after all. Over the years, telcos have created too many standards. This is a problem. This leads to high service delivery costs. But there are also positive sides. Telcos provide a strong, trustful identity service to their customers, based on the SIM card. Not to forget that the service itself is actually very reliable. But telcos are not very developer-friendly. Third-party services are not easy to introduce. In contrast, the OTT world is quite developer-friendly. Tools and APIs are readily available. Service provisioning is much faster. OTTs today are leading in communication innovation. So many different services readily available. The environments are competitive and agile. Very little constraints by standards. But there is of course no free lunch. The customer is overwhelmed by so many apps, even if the service is basically the same. Say, a chat service is a chat service, yet there are myriads of apps to deliver that service. Yes, there was also something about trust. Privacy? What do you mean? We think it is time to rethink how services are delivered and disrupt the OTTs. Remember, OTT services are within walled gardens. We propose a worldwide cooperative model that is not federated the way the old telecoms world is. We propose a new service paradigm which enforces trust. Identity data and personal data remain under the control of the user. The new service paradigm works without large and complex standards. It is based on web microservices. The users do not need to care about which app to use. The infrastructure takes care of the communication among different apps. The result is full network programmability. The result is focused but plural user experience. The proposition is nothing less than an attempt to change the DNA of the telcos. Please visit us at www.rethink-project.eu and don't miss the GitHub repository. All enabling code is open source. We seek your feedback and invite you to rethink as well how to deliver services. Thank you very much for listening.